Okay, welcome everybody. New toy day. It's a Tonka. It's what we would have called a Dune Buggy back in the day, I think. I think Beach Buggy internationally, but they didn't have the big, looks like a 6-cylinder on that one. 3 pipes off the side anyway. The Tonka, made in USA. No year or anything on there. This one got the mud in the tires and everything, so it was an outside toy for sure. And I think looks like, I don't know if that was supposed to, I don't know if that was originally flat or not, or if I jumped it, but it seems like too uniform of a bend to not been made like that, because it's the same. It'd be a twist in it if I'd done it, so I'm pretty sure it was made that way. It's a little, sort of the Model A look to it. Coupe. Looks like it had, must have had a spoiler or something, because it looks like these have been broken off pretty uniform, like something hit it and knocked that back part out. The plastic is degraded pretty good. I was trying to clean it and it was just coming up as, it's like, I say, it's got some kind of, I don't know if it, I don't even know what to call it. It's like I say, it's breaking down. You can, like I say, I don't know if it's going to show on camera or not with all the light. So you can see it's sort of layered and it's absorbed something, or something's absorbed into it. And it's got, like I say, it's got some kind of degradation going on there. Do have a dashboard molded into it. The steering wheel, a rubber steering wheel. So that's very floppy. That's surprising. If they were the tires were rubber, they're a plastic. They got some sort of plasticized rubber. It's a softer feel. It's not like a hard plastic, but it's definitely is plastic. Let's see, you got everything built real solid, like you'd expect from a Tonka. Still, after all these years, rolls pretty good. Let's see, obviously a little worse for wear. It was like I said, it was an outside toy, so we no doubt jumped it and played in the sandbox with it and buried it and did all kinds of terrible things to it, and it's still going strong. Looks like there was a sticker on it at some point. Got some fading and some residue left there. I do not remember. I honestly don't remember this one. And it's this, I'd say it's a 70s style, so it's right. It'd be before my time, so I imagine this is yet another one of my brother's toys that I inherited. Or, my parents picked up at a yard sale at some point and I inherited. But it's fun, cool looking little toy. Like I say, I didn't remember it when I dug it out, but it's something I like. It's definitely would have been in the style of something that I would have had back in the day. Most of my outside toys did not survive. I think I've mentioned my propensity for strapping bottle rockets to things before. They never worked like they did in the cartoons. But that's about all I got for you on the old Tonka. I'm going to call it a Dune Buggy. Hot rod Dune Buggy, maybe. But, alright, so I'll dig something out again on Monday. Come and check it out.